Welcome to another how-to video for SENTRO X. This video will explain how to install a gas block, also known as a gBloc, into the SENTRO X gBloc bay and how to correctly change out a gBloc. Firstly, remove the gas inlet cover like so. This can be done by removing the 4 M4 screws from the fixing holes using a standard Allen key. Insert the gBloc for the gas you wish to monitor for. On first installation, the SENTRO X controller accepts the default gas ID information dictated by the gBloc, so you can just reinstall the gas inlet cover with the 4 M4 fixing screws, and you're now up and running to monitor for the gas of your choosing. If your SENTRO X currently has a gBloc installed, you can swap it out for a different gBloc by removing the gas inlet cover by unscrewing the 4 M4 screws. When you come to remove the gBloc, SENTRO X will begin alarming as it is currently detecting for gas and will notice a fault once the gBloc is removed. Whilst it is possible to remove the gBloc and reinstall another gBloc as shown currently on the screen, we recommend taking the following steps to avoid the possibility of data corruption. Press and hold the middle button to access dynamic menus. Press 1 Maintenance and scroll down to option 8. Press and hold Remove and confirm you want to remove this gBloc by pressing and holding the arrow on the left, then remove the gBloc. When instructed, insert the new gBloc, select View and check all the gas ID information of the gBloc is correct, then press and hold Confirm. Once you have taken these steps, reinstall the gas inlet cover by screwing the 4 M4 fixing screws. A short warm-up sequence will initiate. You're now ready to monitor for the different gas of your choosing. Be sure to check out our next video where we'll run you through completing a zero test. Go to youtube.com/@TrollXUK for more videos now.